You don't have to watch, and we'll do this as quickly as possible and as painlessly as possible.
Here. You want to hold my hand?
Gumby Gene will hold your hand.
I'll let you squeeze me.
It's not a fun Wednesday, is it?
No.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Yes, we muted this part out. It does hurt to get an injection in a wound, but it has to be done if we're going to numb it up for the stitches, and, well, that's the way life is sometimes. This is no fun for anybody when this happens. We know.
Okay. Sorry. You're okay.
That wasn't the worst thing you ever had happen,
That's the worst part,
was
and
it?
it's over.
So we had you soaking in some betadine, right? Yeah. Did you put a bandage or something on this first?
Yes.
Okay.
I put turmeric on there to stop the bleeding because it was bleeding really bad.
I bet it was. Okay.
Oh, I know that burn.
Yeah, I bet that stung a lot, huh?
Yeah, it's just it wouldn't stop bleeding.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
You don't need
you're
to apologize. Just do me a favor and just stay real still for me.
Sure.
And we're going to get this done quickly and get you dressed up, wrapped up, and on your way to a better day.
Why are you apologizing? We're sorry you cut your finger.
Yeah, right.
It's all good.
It's all good now. Once we get that
I'm
medicine
numb.
in there, right? The hard part's over. Those knives will get you, though.
Man,
Yeah.
I cut myself all the time.
I do too, but never like this.
Yeah.
Like, it's
You get
just a
little
small cut.
cuts,
You know, like when
right?
you're cutting it.
Right.
Yeah, or little paper cuts and things like that.
And those hurt the worst.
They do.
Paper cuts.
Only if you squeeze lemon juice on them.
Oh man.
But they'll help you find them if you're not sure where they are.
Exactly. Definitely.
With this to hold. There we go. There we go. A few little ties, and then we'll cut this first one. Do you need the scissors
Yes.
back, Gumby? I'll hand it over. Okay, go right ahead. Pacific Blue is such a serene sounding name, isn't it?
is.
It is.
Aren't you? Could be worse. You could be in Chicago right now, where it's like wind chill of minus 1,000 or something.
Yeah.
No errand running at all.
I hear that it's dangerous to even go outside right now because it's so cold if you live in Chicago. We have a lot of friends in Chicago. We hope they are staying nice and warm. I hope this isn't one of those where after I put 3 in, I look at it and say, you know, maybe I
add
should put
4.
another one in there.
Well, the good news is it doesn't hurt at all coming out.
Yep, the stitches don't hurt coming out at all.
They won't dissolve.
Everybody wants the dissolving.
Right?
If they did, they would dissolve in like a couple of days and that wound would come back open.
Or that adhesive, you know, that they
Oh,
use.
yeah. The stair strips.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
That'd be nice.
If only we could just do it with the now smaller ones we can do with just steri strips. That's right.
But
With these
it's
bigger
deeper.
ones, especially in this part of the finger because
This is not considered small?
yes, this is small, but it's not teeny tiny. Okay, there are different levels of smallness, right?
Right.
Okay, so there are some wounds that are very simple, maybe on the back of the hand or on the arm. It's just a very simple, straightforward laceration that we can just put a steri strip on and say, you know what, that's all it needs.
Right.
But what I worry about with this, because you use your fingers for so much, you're
Right.
touching things. If we don't go ahead and suture this, then there's a good chance that this will open back up. Right, and then we've, you know, sort of like wasted your time because we didn't get the stitches so that would hold. And then you end up with a bigger scar. And that's the whole idea, is to reduce the size of the scar and to expedite the healing, right?
Right.
Okay.
Are you going to have to do a 4th?
Maybe, we'll see. We will see. To, you know how when you're familiar with that, okay?
Yes,
So you just
yes,
sort of
yes.
hit, well, she did her hand instead, and she whacked right between the fingers, and she lacerated an artery.
Oh.
And by the time I got into the kitchen, it was early in the morning, there was literally blood everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so we got her up here right away and got the second stitch right through that artery. Come, Gene, I think this is going to be just fine. This looks really good. This came together very nicely. And I'm sorry that anesthesia hurt. So we're going to have Gummy Jean put a dressing on this for you, okay?
Thank you.
And if you have any more problems with it, you're going to let me know.
Hi, my name is Gabby. I've been using the product Meta7 for about 3 months now, and I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day, and it allows me to stay focused and make it seem like I can get through anything throughout the whole entire day with this one product. I really recommend it.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.